Hi everybody, it's Elizabeth from Organizing with Elizabeth. Remember me? Hey! I am here in Prospect Park on a very, very cold day, and I'm going to be making a few videos. I was inspired by my friend Jessica, who's doing this Simply Fabulous video challenge, hashtag Simply Fabulous. She's making these very inspiring, very adorable videos every day so far this year, and I thought, you know what, I could do that too. So what if I hate how I sound on camera and I hate how I look and it makes me very nervous? I'm always telling my clients and my friends and anyone who knows me that you have to do things that scare you and go outside of your comfort zone. So why shouldn't I do this? It's terrifying to me, but I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna be making a new video series with tips about how to get organized, how to get your shit together and live your best life in 2018. And my first tip is do something that gets you out of your comfort zone. Do something that really scares you today. And I'm doing it right now, so let me know what you're doing and I'll be back soon for more. Okay, thanks. Happy 2018, everybody.